Hello, hello, hello. We're back in another Go Hotel.
In Iloilo.
Iloilo is the place. What room you going to?
Huh?
What room you going to?
Oh, this is 510. I thought 513.
We're in room 510. I don't know where my wife went. But here's our room for the eve. So let's check it out. It's very similar to the other room.
What they have in common is this one.
Yeah.
Aside from the name.
This has two what they call single beds in them. But what we do is remove that that nightstand right there, and then we make it into a king size bed. It's a trick of the trade. Right, Marce?
Yes.
So here's a big mirror again. Here's a little shelf deal for whatever you may need it for. We're gonna hook up the laptop and talk to people. There's the big screen TV on the wall. There's my plasma TV. Oh,
The 60.
my big 60-inch. Oh, it look like a 60-inch if I hold it up like this. Oh. Let's see what the view looks like. We're on the 5th floor. Oh, that's a horrible view. That's the worst view I've seen out of any hotel that I've been to so far.
Hey, be glad it's not a wall, a straight wall.
But it's not a wall like Mercy's saying. But it's still ugly. Oh,
Bad.
it's bad, Mercy. You haven't even looked out here. Yep. Anyways, back to the rooms. We'll make that into a king size here in a few. You got a safe in there. I don't know if I talk about that. But all these rooms has a safe, so that's kind of nice. This room is connected to another one in case you want to rent two and have like a little suite, whatever. Here's the wall AC like they all have. Let's go check out the CR. Here it is. It's beautiful. And there's the shower. That's where I'm gonna slip and fall later. Oh, it's got a waterfall shower. That's kind of cool. Been in a few of them over here that had that, but didn't think the Go Hotel had it. There's the man, the myth. Done the Mifflin in the house. Well, that is about it. That's all we have to. Oh, let me tell you a trick when you check into one of these places. Your key card goes here, and that's how you get in and out of your room. But if you pull that out, all the power goes out in the room. So we always ask for two, so we can leave the power on. Mercy goes up and down the stairs all the time and gets something, and I gotta stay with no power. So she can take the other key and do it. All right, Mercy, tell everybody bye.
Bye. Please give us a thumbs up.
Share this video if anybody's thinking about coming here to the Go Hotel in Iloilo.